the methods of like creating the personality.
Please.
It's the same thing as like you would create like a character in a video game or something.
Charisma, intelligence,
Yeah, exactly.
wisdom.
Like, what are the core principles? And obviously for Claude, this is much easier than I would say like for ChatGPT. For Claude, is like it's like baked in like the mission, right? It's like honest, harmless, helpful. But the most complicated thing about like the model behavior or like the behavioral design is that like sometimes two values would contradict each other. I think this happened in Claude 3. One of the main things that we were thinking about is like how do we balance this like honesty versus like harmlessness or like helpfulness. It's like we don't want the model to always like refuse even to like innocuous queries like some like creative writing prompts, but also we don't want the model to be harmful or something. So it's like there's always a balance between those two, and this is what datasets craft is like more of an art than a literal science. You can definitely do like empirical research on this. But this is the idea of like synthetic data. Like if you look back to like constitutional AI paper, is around like how do you create completions such that you would agree to certain like principles that you want your model to agree on. So it's like if you create the core values of the models, how do you decompose those core values into like specific scenarios? So how does the model need to express its honesty in a variety kind of like scenarios? And this is where like generalization happens when you craft the persona of the model.